The internet has changed everything. One of the biggest changes? The way we shop. E-commerce is booming. It's a massive wave you need to catch. Gone are the days of needing a physical storefront. Now you can reach customers worldwide. This opens up incredible opportunities. No matter your passion, you can build a business around it online. E-commerce is the future of retail. It's time to dive in and build your own online empire. Starting an online store has many benefits. One of the biggest is the potential for profit. With low overhead and global reach, you can scale your business quickly. Another advantage is flexibility. You're not tied to a physical location. This means you can work from anywhere in the world. An online store also gives you complete control. You choose your products, set your prices, and build your brand. It's an empowering way to create a business you're passionate about. Before you launch your online store, you need to find your niche. What are you passionate about? What problems can you solve for people? Research your ideas thoroughly. Is there enough demand for your products? Are people already spending money in this market? The sweet spot is finding a niche you love that also has market potential. This will keep you motivated and increase your chances of success. Now it's time to build your online store. The first step is choosing an e-commerce platform. Popular options include Shopify, Wix, and Squarespace. Next, you'll need a domain name. This is your online address, so make it memorable and relevant to your brand. Design your store with your target audience in mind. Use high-quality images and write compelling product descriptions. Finally, set up your payment gateways. Make sure you offer multiple payment options for convenience. Section 5. Crafting your brand identity. Your brand is more than just a logo. It's how people perceive your business. Develop a strong brand identity to stand out in the crowded online marketplace. Define your brand voice. Is it playful, professional, or informative? Identify your core values. What do you stand for? Pay attention to your aesthetics. Choose colors, fonts, and imagery that reflect your brand personality. A strong brand builds trust and loyalty with your customers. Section 6. Marketing your online store. Reaching your customers. Once your store is live, it's time to get the word out. Marketing is crucial for driving traffic and generating sales. There are many effective marketing strategies for online businesses. Social media marketing helps you connect with your target audience. Search engine optimization, or SEO, makes your store more visible in search results. Email marketing allows you to nurture leads and build relationships. Section 7. Driving traffic and sales. Effective marketing strategies. Influencer marketing leverages the reach of influential people in your niche. Paid advertising can give your store a quick boost in visibility. Content marketing, such as blogging and video creation, provides valuable information to your audience. Focus on creating high-quality content that resonates with your target market. The key is to diversify your marketing efforts. Experiment with different strategies to find what works best for your business. Section 8. The power of social media, engaging your audience. Social media is a powerful tool for connecting with your target audience. Create profiles on platforms where your customers are most active. Share engaging content that provides value. Use high-quality images and videos. Interact with your followers. Respond to comments and messages promptly. Run contests and giveaways to boost engagement. Social media is about building relationships and fostering a community around your brand. Section 9. Optimizing for search engines. Getting found online. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is essential for driving organic traffic to your store. Use relevant keywords in your product descriptions, titles, and meta descriptions. Build high-quality backlinks to your website. Optimize your website for mobile devices. SEO is a long-term strategy that requires consistent effort. However, the rewards are significant in terms of increased visibility and traffic. Section 10. Taking the leap. Your e-commerce journey awaits. The world of e-commerce is full of opportunities. It takes hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn. But the rewards are well worth it. By following these steps, you can build a successful online store. You can turn your passion into a thriving business. So, what are you waiting for? Your e-commerce journey awaits.